strong financial health, high growth and high profitability. So far this is great business. Favorable prices, that is when the stock is undervalued. Then no one can stop you from making money in the stock market. It is my promise. And it's a low risk, high return strategy. You have to analyze the financial health of a company, growth of a company, profitability, and have to value a stock. That is when to buy, when to sell and all. I think this is the real blueprint. Hello my dear friends, welcome back. So in today's episode, let's try to understand the 4 steps to successful stock investing. Guys, according to me, this is one of the most important videos of stock market success blueprint, because in this episode, let's try to divide the entire process into 4 steps. So I think this is the real blueprint. This is the real practical aspect. So far we have covered the theoretical aspects. Now in this episode, let's try to look at the practical aspects and let's divide the entire process into 4 steps. Now step 1, see, the process will be same. Step 1 is financial health. The first thing we look at in a stock is its financial health, and we like companies with strong financial health, and that is the reason we analyze the balance sheet of a company. So as you can see, we have a clear intentions, clear purpose behind reading the financial statements of a company. We read balance sheet not for the sake of reading the balance sheet, because our purpose is to understand the financial health of a company. So we like strong financial health. That is step 1. Step 2 is, along with strong financial health, we look for high growth as well. That is the reason we analyze the income statement of a company. To analyze the growth, we analyze the income statement of a company. Step 3. So step 1 is strong financial health. Step 2 is we want high growth companies. And step 3 is high profitability. And we use balance sheet plus income statement plus cash flow statement to analyze the profitability of a company. As you can see, this is what I call making use of accounts. So balance sheet, income statement and cash flow statement has a purpose. That is to analyze the financial health, growth and profitability. So far this is great business. Strong financial health, high growth and high profitability, that will be considered as, so these kind of companies are considered as great stocks or great companies. But that is not enough. Great business bought at an expensive price can be a bad investment. So step 4 is valuation. So we are value investors. So we try to invest at favorable prices, that is when the stock is undervalued. So put it simply, we invest in great businesses at favorable prices. That's it. And it's a low risk, high return strategy. See, there is nothing great in generating high returns by taking high risk. The mark of a superior investor is to generate high returns by taking low risk. And this is a strategy of generating high risk, high returns by taking low risk. So that is what I mean by, high return, low risk strategy. And if you invest in great business at a favorable price, then no one can stop you from making money in the stock market. It is my promise. And you can comfortably generate more than 20% compounded return in the stock market. Yes, if you follow this simple process, buy great businesses at favorable prices. But the thing is, have to analyze the financial health of a company, growth of a company, profitability, and have to value a stock. That is when to buy, when to sell and all. Obviously, that is what I am going to cover in my later episodes. And exactly in the next episode, let's look at the 3 most important parameters to understand or to analyze the financial health of a company. Let's start with financial health and eventually let's build all these steps. So in my next video, let's try to understand the 3 key important parameters to analyze the financial health of a stock. So that's it for today, guys. In case if you are new here, then please consider to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get instant notifications as and when I upload a new video. This is Vishnu Dikonda signing off.